Ituloy ang halalan sa BARMM. Ito ang apila na laman ng inisyong resolusyon ng Central Committee ng MILF na permado ni MILF Chairman BARM Chief Minister Ahod Ibrahim. Ayon kay United Bangsamoro Justice Party spokesperson, Engineer Mohajirin Ali, lihitimo ang dokumento na naunang lumabas sa social media. Ibinahagi naman ng tagapagsalita ng UBJP ang dahilan ng pagnanais ng MILF na ituloy ang halalan sa susunod na taon. Pero kung sakali man anyang maipagpaliban, dapat ay naayon pa rin sa nilalaman ng Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro ang mamumuno sa transition period. Narito ang report. Resulta ng pulong ng Central Committee ng Moro Islamic Liberation Front ang Resolution No. 002 Series of 2024 na inisyu at makikitang iprinisinta ni MILF Chairman BARM Chief Minister Ahod Ibrahim kay Senate President Cheese Escudero. Ayon kay United Bangsamoro Justice Party spokesperson, Engineer Mohajirin Ali, lihitimo ang dokumento na naunang lumabas sa social media.
It's really legitimate. In fact, I think you saw it in the Facebook na hinawakan nila with SP, Senate President Cheese, yung MILF Central Committee resolution.
Ibinahagi naman ng tagapagsalita ng UBJP ang dahilan ng pagnanais ng MILF na ituloy ang halalan sa susunod na taon.
Nakapag-hearing na last week, and then nung weekends, nagkaroon ng special MILF Central Committee meeting. So, doon sa meeting ng Central Committee, it happens na nandun ako, doon nabuo yung decision nila na they will have a resolution addressed to the President na mag-a-appeal na sana ituloy yung election.
Okay. Why did they come up with such consensus?
Kasi unang-una, that decision is very consistent doon sa sinasabi ng ating mahal na Pangulo since last year. And until now, yun din ang sinusunod namin, no? No less than the Chief Minister himself. So, kaya consensusly during their meeting, sabi nila, mag-a-appeal tayo. Although, nasa resolution din naman na kung sakaling ma-postpone naman, we will fully respect naman yung postponement kasi nasa level na ng Congress yan. They are the one who is mandated to have laws, no? Especially a law such of kind ay postpone yung election. Diba?
Pero kung sakali man anyang maipagpaliban, dapat ay naayon pa rin sa nilalaman ng Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro ang mamumuno sa transition period.
Hypothetically, it will be part of the transition, di ba? So pagkasama sa transition yan, it has to be within the agreed deliverables of the peace agreement, di ba? Meron tayong CAB. Ang sinabi sa CAB, during the transition period, it has to be MILF-led. So yun yung tulad ninyo nangyari from the BTA 1 and then BTA 2, naging MILF-led siya, and including the Chief Minister from the MILF.
Okay, so you're saying that if it will be extended for a year,
right,
then Chief Minister Murad Ibrahim still lead?
Right. As from the MILF side, kasi yun yung commitment natin to the peace agreement. Na during transition, it has to be from the MILF. Sa ngayon, si Chief Minister Murad, including him, doon sa 41 nominee.
Isinusulong ng Senado at Kongreso ang resetting ng first regular election sa BARMM sa pamamagitan ng Senate Bill No. 2862 at House Bill 11034.